your Bitcoin will be stolen. And not for the reasons you think. See, Bitcoin is arguably the most secure financial network in the world, but we often see headlines such as hackers steal over 90 million from cryptocurrency exchange, hackers steal nearly 100 million in Japan crypto heist, 1.9 billion in cryptocurrency stolen by hackers last year. So why does this happen? Introduce you to John McAfee. This guy was one of the most reliable sources in the crypto world until he got whacked in a Spanish prison. One of the many reasons he is now gone is because he knew too much.
I did find out that the Minister of National Defense was the largest drug trafficker in all of Central America. And the Minister of Immigration, the largest human trafficker.
We don't want to get killed by them either, so we're probably not going to
do that? That's fine, that's fine.
It was getting a little hot in John McAfee's.
I blame the U.S. authorities for this tragedy. Because of these politically motivated charges against him, my husband is now dead.
He said your bitcoins will be stolen because of your devices. Approximately 100 million smartphones are infected with malware. But believe me, getting infected is as easy as visiting the wrong website.
The first click, if you happen to see something that might be interested, I think I'd like to watch that, you now have the spyware on your phone. You all do if you've been there. Now,
this means that if your phone is one of those infected, there is a keylogger and a screen recording app running without you knowing.
who's watching? I have no clue, but neither do you. But whoever it is, it's not anyone who has your best interest at heart.
The moment you type in your password to your crypto wallet, you are now exposed. The same happens if you see any relevant information on your screen, like your seed phrases. Hackers will have a recording of every sensitive data on your phone. The scary part is that action is not taken immediately. McAfee predicts that one day a massive attack will happen in which millions of users are compromised. A security breach could also happen inside the exchanges too, since we are in the wild early days of crypto and governments refuse to move quickly to adopt a new technology. This means the only secure way to store your crypto is inside an offline cold wallet storage, preferably managed by a device that haven't been compromised. This might seem a little extreme, but we have forgotten to protect our rights. We have stopped thinking and let other people think for us.
In its current state, we will have chaos, absolute chaos. Not because we don't understand it or we can't understand the math or it's not adopted properly, no, because there is no security whatsoever.
Do me a favor, secure your bitcoins.